This piece is titled Arts of an Artist. Concentrate on the concrete. Place your eyes on the space of the place where the blood and the pressure meet. Look through the keyhole of a peep show into this freak show. The artist, starving for a shot at stardom. Never waiting on a call back, so he calls them. But around here, his phones don't ring. Dial tones on his lifeline. He's just dying for a chance to live the life in this lifetime. There's one who ponders endlessly for days and days about life and its ways of sad travails. The journeys and paths where ships set sail, uncharted and treacherous, but no matter what, he must prevail. With the stroke of a brush, inking of a page, a little sprinkling of the fingers across piano keys. Moments and chance, ideas dance, and a shackled soul is set to be free. I'd like to ask you a question, if you don't mind. Would you dig deep the mind of your mind deeper than mine to see what you find? Images of your imagination could bring hope from desolation. Would you search the caverns of your soul to see what you hold? What you find could be more precious than silver and gold. Would you scale the scales and scaffolds of every music and note, lend an ear to every air, fall ornate that they might eventually hear? Music is therapeutic, so use it and don't mute it. So I do as my duty as an artist, and acting accordingly, I attack the establishment. I build the bridges that bridge the ties that bind. I contradict the contradictions, educate the critics, dignify the rumors, embellish the fantasies, fulfill the fears. I gravitate the outcasts. I injure the morals. I heal the sick. I meddle with the minds, negate the accepted open forms. I terrorize traditions. My art is a body of work still being worked on by a life still living. It works in my life hard as it is for my heart. It is a mirror to my soul. It adds color, depth, and value to various mediums. And it changes any point of view that it sees fit. I'm the artist, a creation creating creations. My poetry, words that give voice to my thoughts and emotions. It's flow, steady streams of consciousness. It flows into the hearts and minds of any recipient's soul. The effects so profound, so trivial that life and death reside within my words. I'm the poet, a liar speaking truth. My music moves me from muse to amuse, and amusement I must use, not misuse, the sounds that sound and surround the spirits. Within is equilibrium. Within each note, there is freedom. With the change of key, there is freedom. Within the baritone lines of the bass line, there is freedom. I'm the musician, an offbeat rhythm, improvising pitch. So whenever my canvas remains blank, whenever my page remains wordless, whenever my piano remains silent, whenever these God-given talents that I balance on balance when I take time. And at times like these, I think on the things that I've thought before. My cup is half full, but yet still every feeling, why do I thirst some more? Much more to give, so much more to live that I will not be bounded by the boundaries that have been set for me. See, for as long as I've known, I've been flying, so the sky is home. And what I do know is that whenever I had been in it, the stratosphere was shattered, so for me the sky is no longer the limit. So for anyone who've had a doubt in me or had it out for me, stand down at a distance and be a witness to what you're about to see. The fulfillment of my revelation, the establishment of my legacy. Look at the art from my heart, carved on your canvas. Read the poems from my bringing posted on your page. Listen to the music melodies from my memories engraved in your ears and easy to part. Pick apart and take parts as you take parts in these arts. Arts, artist.